Welcome to Rains and Max! Hey guys, welcome to Rains and Max again. We are playing my awesome game. It's Wave Disaster Survival. I'm gonna go on this yellow slide. And let's go on the water. Oops, I jumped. And under the water, it looks like there's even more water. Hi, little guy. I don't know if he's little. So, it says waiting a moment. Let's see. Okay, there's the world. Map chosen the treehouse. And I will love this game. So let's go. Okay, this guy is in front of me. Okay, so when I look like this, when I zoom in to my face, I don't think I go fast, but I am kind of going fast. And also, Max is in the game. She's right over there, see? And I just bought this red thing, this red fast thing. And I'm gonna, I'm good. So right now I'm gonna see that how many survives I have been doing is 28. And also because Max, she just likes watching these because she's like, is it real water? And I'm like, but it's a game. So, yay, I survived. And let's go on another one. Waiting a moment. So I have my thing. Choose escape on the jets. Oh, I love these, the jet skis. Okay, so I'm mostly, I think, going to be first. Oh, no, I'm not first. Once I've been first, and look at those people. That's so fast and glitchy. Oh, I think we're going to hit the mountains. So get to safe ground before the wave hits. Good. So, hurry. Okay. Okay, so I'm just a survivor. I didn't get to the end, I think. I don't know what the end looked like. And we all died for some reason. I don't know why, but let's go see. Okay, so we got to the gas station. What we're going to do is climb, I think, that ladder. So let's go climb. Climb. And also, I'm now gonna not get, I got pushed. Hurry before that wave gets me. Okay, so people pushed me and Max off. So rude, right? Okay, hurry. Okay, I'm done. That girl really looks really good. Oh, yeah, that's Max. Oh, I had to get that thing again. So look, everything's covered except us. Ooh, we are survivors. So all these people are very lucky how they're surviving. So right now, I can't believe that we are now on the Jetskis again. They look really cool. That guy just took mine. Max is first. Woo! Good job, Max. Okay, so hurry. Murray, Doda. Okay, hurry. Okay, I know I'm not gonna win. Well, I don't know if we win on this game, really. So, oh, ew, that looks like 3D icebergs. Okay, now that looks like, gross. Hello? Where am I? Okay, now we're all at the start again. And we're going to the farms. And I know where to go. The highest place is the farmhouse, whatever it is. Okay, so we're climbing, and everyone is now on. I'm like, why? Okay. Whoa, I always think that people are going to jump off down there, but they aren't. Okay, I'm zooming in and just jumping. Oh, that scared me. Don't go down there, girl. I don't know if you're going to die or not. I just hope you don't. So I see a lot of people wearing those Roblox symbols on their heads, and it's really cool hats. I think Max is gonna die. Oh, Max died. Oh man, I feel bad. So right now I'm with this girl. I'm gonna be typing OMG. OMG. Okay, waiting a moment. So it's the city. Now, where the city is, it's really cool, and there's 3 buildings. You should choose all of them because all of the buildings, you can not die on that. So I'm going on this tallest building right now. Oh, come on. This is so long. Okay, so look at those people. They can die maybe. My boy. Okay. So I'm scared. What happens if this isn't the right one? Oh yeah, it's the right one. I see Max down there. She's jumping down there. Max, she went on the wrong one. Come on, Maxie. Why are you so Maxie? Okay. Hi girl. I think those 2 people are like brother and sister, and like they are like new to Roblox. Like, that's scary. That guy just fell. Waiting a moment. Treehouse. Okay. Run. Hurry. I have been playing treehouse games with like Granny, Piggy, and all that stuff, and I love them. They're my favorite because I love how we can like trick them and then they can come up. Me and Max just scream a lot. So now we're almost done. Okay. I jumped! Oh no. I never died once in this time. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 90. Oh, 90. I hope I'm older than 90 one day. Okay. Thanks for watching and bye! Brains and math!